just did a video and my phone shut off and I lost the video. So I cut some of my chives that I'm growing indoors under a grow light because it's been so rainy here. And I added it to softened cream cheese. And I also put a little bit of sage, chili powder, and garlic infused olive oil. So I did like a half a teaspoon of the garlic, a quarter of a teaspoon of sage, and like an eighth of a teaspoon of chili powder because it's so spicy. So I mixed it all up and was ready to put it on these bagels that I lightly buttered. And the phone shut off and the video was totally gone. So yeah, this is a quick, easy, nice little recipe for little mini bagels. Granddaughter likes the mini bagels opposed to the big ones. Her appetite isn't that great. So, yes. Later on today, I'm trying to do maybe my cryptocurrency video. So like and subscribe if you're interested in hearing about the basics. Also, if my light in the box package comes, you're in for a real treat. So like and subscribe. Oh, that probably cut the top of my head off. There we go. Tasty.